Oh my god, dumb NPC. I'm not even about to fight you, bro. You're wasting my time. No, let me not. Yo, I've always wondered, what is it like being an NPC? Like, could you even, like, get it, like, yo, I wonder, do they have bigger dick than mine? Yo, could a NPC have a bigger ding than me? Cause my shit like 1-2 inches.
You're gay! He's gay! I'm not gay. He's gay.
Yo, what's up? Hey guys, today I knew this method. I think a lot of people know this method, but this is for mainly like new people. So if you already know this, bro, don't even say nothing in the comments. Just subscribe and get out of here, bro. Low key. But hey, I know the method to become the richest player in DEEPWOKEN, or one of the richest players. Actually, no, the richest player in DEEPWOKEN. F that. Yo, follow my god. You feel me? It's gonna be a real easy god. You know. Subscribe for Roblox cookies and a Diddy event. I do have some planned on the way though, but it's when I hit a certain level. It's like really crazy. Like no deep tuber has ever done this before too. So I'm like, it's like some streamer level stuff, which yeah, deep don't even deserve this. But hey, feel me, I got ready. Like feel me. Anyway, let's go to the video, bro.
Oh man, they must have accidentally sent him instead of the sports watch. Maybe they took it literally when we said we wanted to adopt a kid. Whoa, that was cool! Yeah, how do you make those clicking sounds? What's your name, dude? Marvin. I think he said his name is Marvin. Yeah, Starvin' Marvin. Well, damn, nigga!
Yo, alright, so this video is gonna be about how to become the richest in DEEPWOKEN. I'm gonna keep it super simple. You need to first make it to Hive. As you can see here, I'm traveling to Hive right now. I don't know where I was at. And then once you get the Hive, you're gonna talk to this Calamus NPC, the one that gives you Pirate Keeper. I'm gonna show you where it is in a second. And you have to just keep on like doing like the quest. You're gonna see in a second, but first let's get there first.
Jay, no low bootying, please.
Extras.
Another absolute banger from Jay So Ella Boosted.
They should add cotton. I wonder if Animal King works on monkeys.
Okay, no, yeah, I'm done. Anyway, boom, as you get in the Hive, Etris, follow my league. We're gonna go up to all the way to the King's Palace to teleport all the way to Hive, so you don't gotta do your thing. And by the way, this is for mainly new players or players that don't know how to do this, because a lot of people don't know how to do this, okay? Like, don't go deriding in the comments, bro. This is for people who don't know, okay? Anyway, let's cut to Hive. Alright, so now we're at Hive. We're gonna wanna take this portal in the middle. Boom, we get sent all the way back here. Y'all feel me? I forgot to say, you might wait. Do you have to hold on? You might have to uncap your mask. I mean your thing. Well, whatever. If you don't know how to get the Hive, then just like look it up, bro. If you can't do this thing, then look it up at this point. But boom, I'm gonna just skip it over a bit. Hold on a minute here. My fault for that long segment. Anyway, you're gonna want to follow my steps. Oh wait, hold on a minute, because you're gonna need this. Okay, so let me really tell you the method. So to become the richest player in DEEPWOKEN, it's best to have 50 charisma to get the celebrity talent, the talent that and the oil, the talents that make you like sell more. So make sure you have high charisma for that. But you're gonna want to talk to this guy right here. Boom. So basically what he does, he's the Pirate Keeper guy. He gives you big chests for killing mobs in Hive. It can be any. But you know, my thing is, you can cancel. As you can see, you can cancel his quest if he gives you like a mob you don't want. So the method is to cancel his quest. Like if he gives you like a Stonekeeper or something like that, cancel it and keep doing it until you get like a Thresher or something like that. A Thresher, Megalodon, like these things that spawn often, like a Thresher, Stone Knight, because they do spawn there. But since you might be like someone who don't know, just go for Threshers only. And as you can see, I'm about to get one. Hold on a minute. Let me. Alright, Thresher. Boom. As you can see there, I'm about to cut to me killing the Thresher. Then you're gonna cut to me coming back, and I'm gonna tell you how this steps there. Oh, it's a Thresher right there. Shit. There, as you can see, I killed the Dusher. Now I'm going back up, and you're gonna see what's gonna happen. Yo, you're gonna get a big chest from this, and this goes anywhere at Hive, because Hive drop big chests. Like, boom! Oh my God, look at this! Oh my lordy lord! You just loot all, boom, and you just see you can do it again. Thrasher, oh, I'm so lucky. I'm not gonna show the clip of me doing all this. I was going to, but this is 5-minute videos, and y'all have no attention span. Y'all gonna watch like 2 videos of like 2 minutes. I hope y'all get the point. I really don't know at this point, but hey, that's really how you do it. I'm gonna now show like all the amount of money I've been getting from all this and stuff. So hey, after I show that in the video, subscribe. Yo, if this helped you, please subscribe. Like, help a brother out. Subscribe. I have mad gods. I can get y'all what y'all want. I got Roblox and giveaways. Subscribe, bro. Alright, sorry for my schizo moment. I'll see y'all later.
Money, 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 money. Money, 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 money.